Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the fascinating world of AI application development with a special focus on eino, a framework that's redefining how developers interact with language models in Golang. So what exactly is eino? Well, think of it as a toolbox for building AI applications that's not only powerful but designed to be user-friendly. Inspired by frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index, eino is all about simplicity and scalability. Imagine if you could simplify complex tasks like type checking, stream processing, and even concurrency management all in one place. That's what eino aims to accomplish. Now let's break down some of its key features. eino provides a carefully curated set of components that can be easily combined. You can think of these components like Legos. Each one is unique and functional on its own, but when you put them together, you create something greater. For instance, you might use a chat model to generate responses and a tool to perform additional actions based on those responses. eino also offers a powerful orchestration framework that manages these interactions smoothly. Just like in a symphony where all the instruments have their parts to play, eino ensures every component knows when and how to contribute to the final composition. This orchestration not only encapsulates common patterns of workflow, but also maintains type safety and handles concurrent processing without a hitch. Let's think about a practical example. Say you want to know the weather in Beijing this weekend. You could simply create a chain of commands in eino that first asks for the information via a chat template, uses a chat model to process it, and perhaps even executes a tool to fetch live data. Pretty neat, right? And speaking of how it handles data, eino shines in stream processing. If you've ever interacted with a chatbot, you've probably seen how it replies chunk by chunk. eino handles these messages in real time, ensuring everything flows smoothly without the developer having to worry about the underlying complexities. There's even more. If you design your application with eino, you can easily add callbacks for various events, like when a process starts or ends. It's almost like having an assistant that logs everything for you, keeping track of each step along the way. eino is also highly extensible. Let's say you want to log every time a tool is called. eino allows developers to implement custom callbacks, making it easy to integrate this kind of functionality without fuss. Now you might be wondering about the user experience. eino has taken that into account with a detailed user manual and example applications to help you get started. It's like having a map for a new city. You'll navigate much more easily with some guidance. As we start to wrap up, let's reflect on some of the key takeaways. eino is designed to simplify AI application development in Golang. It's about building robust applications without drowning in complexity, offering tools that make implementation easier, from component abstraction to smooth orchestration. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just stepping into the world of AI apps, eino is not just a framework, it's an opportunity to innovate and create with ease. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to check out the eino user manual if you're inspired to dive deeper, and we hope you feel empowered to take on your next AI project. What features do you find most exciting? Until next time, keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of technology.